Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in today's tutorial, we're going to show you guys how to build an AI trader. I think a lot of people are interested. So in this video, we're going to show you guys how to build an AI trader with Paperclip, Claude Code, and your favorite open source models. So that being said, let's get started. To build an AI trader, the first thing we want to do with this video is basically to set up some of the basics. So the first one, we want to use the Claude Code, and we want to use the Ollama as the LLM. Then we want to use a AI trading API, which is called Alpaca. So Alpaca is a API for stock options and crypto trading. So this is an API. We'll get to that in a little bit, but let's finish the first setup. So once you set up Claude and Ollama, you should be able to tie the LLM with the Claude. So if you have not seen my previous video, feel free to check that out. You can pick a LLM such as the GML4, Kimi 2.5, Minimax 2.7 from Ollama Cloud. So go ahead to ollama.com and register an account. So you can pick up a premium open source model that you can use for the AI trader. And then you can go to the Alpaca MCP. So this is very important. So to use the API and Claude to trade with the Alpaca, you need their Alpaca MCP. So the best part about the Alpaca is that it has a paper trading account. So paper trading basically is a learning tool to help users to trade. So it's not really real transactions, but a create account, and you basically you can learn how to trade it using the paper account. It's paper money, and you can basically register a Alpaca account and create a paper account. So you can actually set the funds, basically, so a mock money you can put in it, and then also give it a name. For example, we create some of the testing account like test 1 or testing 2. You can create any account that you want, and then make sure you get a key from Alpaca. So this is basically the API key. You can regenerate it. You need the key and also a secret. So copy and paste that to the Alpaca MCP. So they do have a offshore repo for the Alpaca MCP server. So just head over to the GitHub repo, and you can see the documentation is very good. So you can see the ways to set up Alpaca with different AI coders, and also the IDEs like the Claude Desktop Cursor, and also the VS Code, Claude Code, Gemini CLI, so on and so forth. So there are also very detailed documentation of the functions in the MCP. So if you scroll down a little bit on the README, so you can see there are available tools. So there are tools for account and portfolios, there are trading, and there's positions, there are watch lists, there are assess and market info. So with this API, you can first learn how to trade, and also you can also learn some of the markets. So you can actually use this API with Claude to learn the trading strategies, to learn what's the best way to organize your portfolios, and so on and so forth. So because it's a paper account, and so it's very easy to just learn from it. So that being said, let's continue. So after you set up the Alpaca and also the Alpaca MCP, then you just need to basically run this command. I'm showing up here. So it's Claude MCP add Alpaca. Use the scope user and transport and standard IO. Then run the UVX Alpaca MCP server and put in your Alpaca API key and Alpaca secret key, and that's it. Then you can see that it's available in your .claude.json file. So in this file, you will see a section called MCP servers. Then you should be able to see something like this, but with your own API key and secret key. You can remove that, delete it after you finish the testing. Just go ahead and basically there's an account you can delete. It's right here. So you can actually delete this account after you finish testing. So that being said, let's continue. So once you get the MCP server, then you can start testing. So then, for example, let's log into Claude Code, and then we're using actually Kimi K 2.5 Cloud for this demo, for example, we can ask the Claude show me my Alpaca account balance and buying powers. So let's do that. Go to Claude Code and then just paste this message saying show me my Alpaca account balance and buying power. So you should be able to talk to the Alpaca MCP server and fetch the information. So click yes. So you can see it's very clear, this account information here, because we actually placed some testing orders. So you can see basically there also shows that. And also you can say get the latest 5-minute bars for NVIDIA. This is also another testing you can try. So just get the latest 5-minute bars for NVIDIA. So I want to proceed. It's very nice. And then we can also test some place a market buy for 10 shares of some type of stock. This is also testing. You can also try like NVIDIA stock instead of Apple, because I already placed a testing order for Apple. So you can just go with the NVIDIA. Let's say place market buy for 10 shares. Also click yes. So then you can go to your Alpaca account. You can see, let's refresh the page. You can see there also another order for NVIDIA, because it was only Apple, then you can see NVIDIA. And also because it's over the weekend, so it is not exercised, so you can basically just accept it. So it will exercise on the following trading day. So, and this is how it works with the Alpaca MCP. Then you can also try some of the strategies, or just asking for some opinions. So for example, analyze my portfolio and give me some ideas of a hedge with the options. So let's just copy and paste that and see what it come up with. So yes, proceed. So you can see actually calling this get all positions tool in the MCP. And then do you want to proceed? Yes. Do you want to proceed? Yes. So you can just basically use this for marketing research. And also, if you want to do a scheduled task, you can also ask Claude to actually build a scheduled Chrome job. So that's it. So last but not the least, so if we want to use this with Paperclip, so that's also possible. So because it's using the Claude Code, and Claude Code is an agent, so it's basically an AI agent. But if you use with Paperclip, then it becomes a company. So we have a lot of tutorials in this channel to show you how to set up a Paperclip. Feel free to check those videos out. And if you want to set up with the Paperclip's offshore repo, then just go to their GitHub account and scroll down to the README. So there's a specific section to show you how to set up Paperclip with just one line command. Just use that. So if you have any questions, you can also drop a comment or join the Discord channel. So in this example, you can see we can actually create a trader. You can create multiple traders. Just go to the agents, click add, and then you can say I want advanced agent. Then you can click any of the providers. For example, you can click Open Code, or in this example, where you see Claude Code. Then you can fill up this information, but very importantly, you want to set up the environment, because the Claude Code do need this LLM providers keys and all that stuff. So for example, if we go to the agents and go to the senior trader, let's go to the configurations. So we can see after you fill out this basic information, you also need a environment variables to configure the Anthropic models and base URL as author token. So in this example, it would be Kimi K 2.5 and also Ollama.com, which is the model that you picked. Then you can also use the Ollama keys, put it in here. So with the auth token, then you should be ready to go. So, and then you can actually creating task for that agent to ask it to do something with it. So for example, we did some tests with the runs, and you can see we actually just asked for a portfolio summary. So after it did some research, and then we came up with the output similar to this one. And yeah, so this is how we actually use Paperclip with Claude Code and with the Alpaca trading API. So hopefully this is helpful, and if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.